Hi everyone, in this video I will be trying to fix lava lamp. One of these, and as you can see the cap is broken, and I hope I have the broken piece here somewhere. Here. Pretty straightforward, I hope. It has been, not by me, but someone has tried to fix this before, since there is residue of glue here, I think, at least, or something else. Now, the problem with this is, I think at least, that everything I do here is going to show up very visibly when it's on top of the lava lamp and the lights are turned on. All these little cracks and bumps and everything, repairs and things, will probably show up. And since it's not only this piece that's loose, it also has this crack here. I'm not sure if you can see it. And I don't want to rip off this whole part just to glue it back on, so I'm thinking I will try to use one of these pens, these UV LED pens that sort of welds some kind of plastic on here. I need to think about exactly how I'm going to do this. But I'm thinking that will hopefully make this fix more invisible. Not that it's going to be invisible by any means, but probably less visible than a standard glue here. So I'm thinking that I want to try this UV LED light, UV light glue. I've never tried it before. I've seen some ads about it, and I've seen some on YouTube that has tried it. Most of them don't think this is a good one. I have no idea yet. What I do know is that it's supposed to, the glue comes out here from this little tip here, and then you should need to shine the UV light on it for a couple of seconds. What I've seen on most videos is that people think this is just a standard glue that you can glue on the side or something, and then just point the UV light to it. But if you have the glue on the inside here, the light might not reach the glue, so it won't dry. That's what I've seen on most videos. But I'm thinking in this case that this plastic is pretty translucent, so I'm hoping that it might work on this one. So we'll give it a go. First I'll see if I can pull this apart just as much to put the glue in there, and then use the LED on that. So we'll see if that works. Wish me luck. This light is pretty glitchy. I don't know if I need to shut off the normal light, if that's some kind of disturb this. I don't know. I don't know if it works on the inside, but it can't hurt. Okay. Has this worked? I'm a bit skeptical. I think I will glue this on before I'm gonna let this rest on here. So I'll do the rest of the lava light cap. Okay. Done. Feels like it's not gonna stick. This UV thing is a crap idea. I'm not sure why I would prefer this. Even if it did work, why would I want to do this instead of just like I did with the last thing, just glue it on and stick it together and then it sticks. But I'll give it a go. I think I'm going to be a little bit more thorough here and stay a little longer and closer with the LED. Now I am hoping that this light shines a little bit through this plastic, since it is a little translucent, as you can see when I put it on the lava light. So that's why I'm hoping this might work a little bit better here than on other kinds of plastics. But we'll see. this pen itself is extremely bad quality. I will let this be for a while, and we'll see if it's settled after a while. So while that is drying or hardening or whatever, I actually have another one of these for another lava lamp that is blue. Same issue. I think I will, since I didn't like that UV thing very much, I will just fix this with normal super glue and see if that does it any better. So I'll use this little super glue here. We'll just do as normal. Now this is, of course, drying very, very much faster. So let's see if this gets the crap on here. I'll just start with this, see how it works. We'll do this other one. Okay, good. Oops. Oh no. I'm getting glue everywhere. Super glue. I glued myself. This always happens. Okay. Why is it nearly impossible to use super glue without gluing yourself? And I could use gloves, but with these tiny things I like the feel. I need to feel with my fingers, so I'd rather glue myself together than use gloves when I'm doing these pretty small things. As you can see, this is already sticking together. This is almost drying too fast, or hardening too fast. A bit too fast, this glue. Okay, I have now let all the glue dry, and here we have the result. This, which the one I glued with the UV LED light, it broke up off camera while I was lifting it up. So it fell apart, and so I glued it back with normal super glue, the same as used with this one, and they are all holding up pretty well. You can of course see the seams here and cracks, but well, I wasn't expecting that to be any better. Although I hoped the UV light, the UV glue would perform better. And anyway, if you want to see the lava light in question, I'll hold it like this. I'm not sure if you can see it if I tilt it up. Something like that. Pretty nice. And the blue one for the other one I haven't got here. Pretty neat, huh?